7 minimalist systems that will save you 1,000 plus hours of your life. Buy high-quality things. Cheap is almost always more expensive. Yes, you read that right. Cheap products come with hidden costs, repair time fees, poor customer service, frequent replacement. Save time and money by investing in quality. Get rid of one thing every day. Just one thing. Every day. For as many days as you can in a row. This is an easy way to find out which of your possessions truly matter. Bonus tip. Challenge a friend to do the same. First to miss a day loses. Build a capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe is a small collection of items that can be easily mixed and matched. Here's a quick step-by-step. 1. Choose how many pieces you want, 25 to 50. 2. Sort through what you have already. 3. Decide on a color palette. 4. Keep essential, versatile items. 5. Donate what you don't need. Streamline your finances. A few automated processes will save you a ton of time and stress in the long run. 1. Automate monthly payments. 2. Remove any unused subscriptions. 3. Automate contributions to investments. 4. Set up a system to automatically deposit 20% of your paycheck to savings. Have an idea capture system. Your mind is for having ideas, not holding them. Anytime a thought interests, excites, or energizes you, capture it. I use the Todoist app personally. But you could use Notion, Obsidian, Apple Notes, or even a simple notebook. Unsubscribe from email. Is your inbox adding value to your life? For each email ask, is this useful, necessary? If the answer is no, unsubscribe. You can use an app like Unroll.me to help speed up the process. Use the 2-minute rule. If you can do a task in less than 2 minutes, do it now. Tasks have a tendency to become more difficult the longer we put them off. The 2-minute rule will keep the decks clear.